Hello guys, welcome to our channel Technovation. In this video, I will show you how to create your own WhatsApp channel in Pakistan. Please like the video and subscribe the channel before starting the video. First, open WhatsApp on your device. After that, select Update tab. Here you will see the Channels box. From here, touch the plus sign. You will see two options named as Find Channel and Create Channel. Select the Create Channel option. After that, it will show you some guidelines. You can read them if you want. You have to click Continue. Now you will see such an interface on your device screen. First of all, you have to name your channel. After that, you have to select your channel logo. After selecting the logo, you have to write the description of your channel according to you. You can also leave this empty because this step is optional. Okay, I am writing something to show you. You can write there whatever you want. After entering all the details, click on Create Your Channel button, and your channel will be created. Now you can send any message, update, or information to your audience on just one click, like you do with your friends and family. From above, you can see your channel details. Here at the top, you will also see Channel Link option. You can share your channel to anyone through WhatsApp, and even on other social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, etc. by copying the link. You can also put your channel link on your WhatsApp status. I hope that you had learned the complete process of creating your own WhatsApp channel. Please like the video if you really like, and subscribe us on YouTube. Don't forget to follow our WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the description. Goodbye.